Okay, these ones, we're looking for inscribed angles. So what I want you to see here is this one is inscribed. So therefore, if that's 47, this one here is going to be 94. And we're looking for what is the length of BC, this one right here. So what I want you to notice is that this right here is 180 degrees because this is a diameter. It cuts our circle in half. So if it cuts our circle in half, all we have to do is subtract from 180 and we get 180 minus 94, which gives us 86. Okay, looking at this next one here, what we need to look at is it says we want the angle WXY. Okay, so just think about it. If we want that angle WXY and this is an inscribed angle, that means that that inside here is going to be half. So it's just 31. All right, guys, we're done. Okay, we're taking a look at central angle and arc measures. So the first thing I want to take a look at is if you take a look at here, this is the diameter. If that's the diameter, that means that this whole thing here is 180 and same on the other side. This is 180. Okay, so let's go through and figure this out. So if this here is 87, because it's a central angle, this is 87. So all we need to do is go 87 to get ST. We need to go 180 minus 87 minus 72, and you end up with 21. So this is 21. Okay, the measure of UXV. Okay, that's what we're going to do next. Now, take a look here. Aren't these two angles? Let me get this out of the way. There we go. Okay, aren't those two angles vertical angles? So that means that this is 72. So the measure of angle UXV is 72. Okay, now let's see, WV. We want the measure of WV. Again, remember this is 180. This whole thing right here is 180. So if we go 180 minus 72, we get 108. So this is 108. Okay, TW. TW, that's this angle right here. So I just need to go 72 plus 21, which would be 93, right? We're just adding those two together. Adding the two, that would be angle addition postulate. And then we need the last one, which is TVW. Let's do it in a different color so we can see it. VW. So we want that whole thing. So we're going to add up all of those. So we've got 87 plus 72. And then how much did we say WV is? We said it's 108. Okay, if we add all that up, we end up with 267. Okay, that takes care of that one. Let's move on to the next one. So the next one, the first thing that we should see is right here. This is 90. So that's easy to tell what CD is. That's 90. Okay, so if that's 90, let's see, what are we looking for? We're looking for FD. FD. Okay, let's do that one in just a, no, actually we can do that one. Okay, so take a look right here. That's a diameter. So this whole thing is 180, so that means that's 90. So if we want to find FD, we just go 90 plus 34, which is going to give us 124. Okay, now we need DCF. So I'm going to do that in green. DCF. Okay, so what we can do is we need to figure out how much this angle is here. Again, this is a diameter. So if that's a diameter, this whole side here is going to be 180. So I've got 90 plus 34, which is 124. And we want to subtract that from 180. So 180 minus 124 would give us what, 56? So this is 56. So DCGF would be add 90. Let me go yellow. Add 90 and 90 and 56. So 180 plus 56. So we've got 6. Oops, let me get my pen back. We've got 6. We got 3. Carry the 1. 2. 36. Okay, that takes care of that. Now let's clear it up a little bit so that we can do the rest of it. So I'm just going to erase all this so I can see. Erase. Hello. Erase. Oops. Okay. Erase all that. Okay, now let's go back and let's do the next one. So this next one says GDF. So GDF. So if you think about it, all the way around is 360, right? So let's just go 360 minus 56. And 360 minus 56 is going to give us 304. All right, we're done.